Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to connect your PHILIPS Fidelio L4 with a cable. All you need to have is just 3.5mm to 2.5mm audio cable what you receive in the package. And of course your phone should have this port also, 3.5 I mean. Now connect 3.5 cable right here. And the smaller one to the right ear cup, we have this port, so connect it here. After that, you should turn on your headphones, so press and hold power button. And now you can listen to music or watching a video with just a cable, without any Bluetooth connection. That's it, thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video, it's really important to us. See you later!